Plaintiff Michael Bowman says the first time he ever met the defendant was during a party at Michael's house. Michael claims the defendant showed up to the party intoxicated with a case of beer, a fifth of tequila, and 2 black eyes. Michael claims the defendant continued to drink, and as a result, he fell into Michael's shower and damaged the plumbing. Defendant Marcus Murphy admits he got drunk at Michael's party, but insists everyone else was drunk too. Marcus denies falling into Michael's shower, but says he and Michael's brother were wrestling and he shoved Marcus into the shower. Therefore, he refuses to pay for the damages.
All rise. This court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Greg Mathis presiding. You may now be seated.
Tell me what happened.
Well, on January 26th, Marcus Murphy and his girlfriend, Tori Todd, came to the house, which Tori Todd is my girlfriend's best friend. We were having a party that night, people dancing, music going on, people playing cards. He walked in the house drunk. He had a fifth of tequila.
How do you know?
Because I saw him come in the house.
Oh, he had it in his hand.
Yeah, he had it in his hand, also with a case of beer. When he came in, he had 2...
For the party?
Yeah, for the party. He came in with...
For everyone else?
Or him and his girlfriend.
They're going to drink a case of beer and a fifth of tequila by themselves?
I guess so.
No, man, I can't drink that.
Well, anyway, he came in with 2 black eyes when he got here.
Let's see it. And
those are the pictures. Those are the pictures of when he got there.
Did you ask him what had happened?
No, I did not ask him. Well, he wasn't really a friend. I just had met him that night.
So you didn't feel you had the privilege of asking him his personal business?
Yeah, it wasn't really any of my business.
Right.
I mean, it was...
Let me just ask him, what happened to your eyes?
Oh, I was at a frat party about 2 weeks prior to that, sir. And, I mean, we were just kind of boxing. It was a friendly boxing match, so it was not...
He lost.
I mean, we were boxing at a frat party.
You say he lost, that's for sure.
Yeah. So... But
you were boxing without gloves, sir?
No, we were boxing with gloves. We had gloves on.
And you were hit in both eyes.
I mean, it happens, sir. Yeah.
Go ahead, sir.
Well, he was. Everybody was having a good time. He was being friendly with everybody as the night was going on. As he was drinking more, he started. Disrespecting the house and disrespecting me, my brother, and our friends, started running out the mouth. So we called a taxi cab because his girlfriend was upstairs in my roommate's room asleep. And we didn't want him driving home, so we called a taxi cab for him. We have a gang load of shoes by the front door because I have a no shoe policy at my house because I got new carpet on.
Took him 15... No shoe policy, but you can drink beer anywhere you want.
You got it. You got it.
No problem with beer on the carpet. How about red wine?
No red wine.
All right. Go ahead.
We're good. Well, anyway, it took him about 15 minutes just to find his shoes before we could actually take him out to the taxi cab. Well, he gets out to the taxi cab. He's stumbling out there, and the taxi cab refused to take him because he didn't even remember his address. So the taxi cab just kind of took off and kind of left the problem in our hands. My buddy Zach Schimbeckler and my brother helped him upstairs because he had to use the restroom. So he went to the restroom, shut the door behind him. We hear a big boom. Well, Zach Schimbeckler opens the door to see what's going on. Well, he was in the shower. He had fell into the shower, which caused the valve to break, which we didn't know at the time.
When did you discover something was wrong, plumbing?
A half hour later.
What did you see?
My house started leaking. This is the downstairs here. This was a half hour after...
Sir, what do you want to say? Give me your side of what happened, if you can possibly remember.
Well, first of all, Your Honor, we didn't show up to the party drunk, and we didn't show up with a case of beer.
So it caused the ceiling to leak and be destroyed. Yes?
We showed up with a fifth of tequila, me and my girlfriend, Tori. I got drunk, I'm not going to lie. I did get drunk, but everybody else there got drunk. It was a party. Me and his brother started arm wrestling at some point in the night, and this is what pretty much brought out the huge argument.
Hadn't you had enough of competitive sports?
Well, yeah. I mean,
you had
it was
both eyes blackened.
Both eyes weren't blackened, Your Honor.
Now you're arm wrestling. Did he break your arm?
Nah.
Okay.
But he took me upstairs because the bathroom downstairs was occupied. And when he took me upstairs,
He had to take you because
I mean, I was drunk. I didn't know
you
where
were
the bathroom
too drunk
was
to
at.
go. You weren't cognizant enough to follow his direction.
Okay, you can say that, sir.
Thank you for allowing me to say it. Go ahead.
We got in a shove match upstairs. I didn't fall into the bathtub. I was shoved into the bathtub by this gentleman right here. And so after that, more stuff escalated. I came back downstairs. There was more trash talking. After that, I got punched in the face. I have pictures.
That's it. Why were you punched in the face?
I mean, there was a lot of trash talking.
Who punched you in the face?
This gentleman right here punched me first.
The same person you alleged pushed you in the shower.
Yeah.
Come on up, sir. State your name.
I'm David Bowman, sir.
Did you shove him into the shower and...
He was in the bathroom by himself, and I was making him a bed, which he passed out in a fetal position after he got out of the bathroom. And that is all that
You were
happened.
making him a bed where?
In the hallway to sleep, because obviously he couldn't walk.
Right, because you had to carry him up.
Yep.
Secondly, when did you punch him downstairs?
No, sir.
Okay. And sir, does your witness want to testify? She has her hand up. State your name.
Tori Todd. I drank too much. I was upstairs. I was passed out. And I woke up to another gentleman that is one of their roommates trying to sexually assault me. And that's what I woke up to. And I, of course, freaked out. I went out in the hallway.
And filed charges.
No, I did not.
Why not?
Because I was drinking and I felt like I would get in trouble because I was underage and I was drinking.
Gotcha.
I went
you
into
were
the hall-
committing a crime yourself.
I was. When I went downstairs, I found my boyfriend standing in the living room, no shirt on, bloody, bruised, drunk, obviously. And I didn't know what had happened to him. And everyone's saying, oh, well, he said he punched him one time to try and knock him out because he was too drunk.
Okay. All right. Sir, you have admitted to being so drunk you could not make it up the stairs to the bathroom. You had to have assistance. So, I am not inclined to rely on your memory. Secondly, it sounds unreasonable that a man who would help you go up the stairs would suddenly get mad and want to push you into the shower. Sounds more likely that you were so helpless that, and by the way, what was he going to do walking into the bathroom with you? Was he going to provide any assistance to you using it?
I hope not, sir.
Yeah, right. And so you don't have a reasonable explanation for that either. In fact, everything you've said today sounds unreasonable. And so I don't believe any of or most of what you've said. $1,378 is the judgment for the plaintiff. Have a good day.